Claudia Caldwell's bestseller, meticulously formatted, is a renowned masterpiece dedicated to sharing her profound knowledge of the highly acclaimed keto diet with the entire world. The meticulously crafted meal plan included in this exceptional book is nothing short of comprehensive, thoughtfully featuring a plethora of examples of delectable meals that one can easily prepare and savor. Central to the efficacy of this meticulously curated meal plan is its unique ability to guide and support the body in entering a state of ketosis, a paramount metabolic process that efficiently facilitates fat-based burning, consequently aiding in weight loss and enhancing overall health. Drawing from our own experiences, we cannot recommend this product highly enough. The benefits of the keto diet are well documented, and Claudia Caldwell's bestseller masterfully encapsulates the essence of this groundbreaking diet, making it accessible to individuals seeking to embark on this transformative journey. To offer a glimpse of the remarkable potential this meal plan holds, we are thrilled to provide you with a trial run at an unbelievably affordable price of just $1. Accepting this exceptional offer grants you risk-free access to the ultimate keto meal plan, empowering you to explore the myriad benefits that await you on this path to a healthier and more vibrant life. You need only click the link thoughtfully placed in the video description to embark on this extraordinary culinary adventure. By taking this simple step, you open the door to a world of possibilities where health and vitality intertwine harmoniously. So seize this opportunity today, as it may be the transformative catalyst that you've been yearning for. In conclusion, we extend our warmest invitation to you, urging you to click the link provided in the description below and gain access to the ultimate keto meal plan for the mere cost of $1. We are genuinely excited to welcome you into our community of health-conscious individuals, where our collective pursuit of wellness and happiness knows no bounds. Together, let us take this empowering journey towards a healthier, happier you. We eagerly await your presence within the program, ready to celebrate your progress and accomplishments every step of the way.